Hi everyone, welcome. This is your Flexible Mind Daily Challenge for day 8, which is themed around trust. So your challenge today is a journaling exercise, a stream of consciousness journaling exercise. Stream of consciousness writing means that you can set a timer. So I would say set a timer for like 3 to 5 minutes, and you're going to put pen to paper and you do not stop writing until the timer runs out. So what I want us to focus on today is journaling about a belief we are ready to let go of. The way that trust plays a part in this is that we need to trust that it is the right time for us to be letting go of this belief, and that everything will be okay, we will be safe, life will go on in even better ways once we've let go of this belief. Some of these like limiting beliefs and things that we think about ourselves, about the world, and about others, a lot of it comes maybe from childhood, stuff that you picked up from your parents or from other people around you. And maybe they served you really well for a long time, but maybe now you know that it's time to change the belief, to let it go. It's time to welcome something new in. Maybe that particular belief is no longer serving you. So stream of consciousness writing, just grab pen and paper, a journal, whatever it is that you write with. You can even just do this as like a Word doc on your computer if you prefer to type. Set a timer for a minimum of 3 minutes. I usually find 3 to 5 minutes is ideal. And you're just going to write it all out. So think about writing what the belief is, where you think it comes from, and what would happen if you were to let it go, right? And connecting again to this essence of trust, trusting that it is safe for us to let go of this belief and to choose something new. So a really powerful journaling exercise. Another thing, you can keep that journaling exercise. Feel free to share some of it if you'd like with us also doing this. And something that you might also want to do is to burn those pages after you've written it out. You don't have to. Some people like to hold on to that stuff. But if you really want to embody this act of releasing and letting go, saying goodbye to this belief, you can really bless it, acknowledge and thank this belief. It served you. Otherwise, you wouldn't have held on to it for so long. So it served its purpose, but now you're ready to let it go and you're ready for something new. So it can be really nice to sometimes burn it or to, rip it up and throw it out, whatever it is that you want to do. And again, you don't have to do that. Some people like to hold on to those pages and to have them. That's fine as well. So set a timer, 3 to 5 minutes, and just go, go, go. Write it out. What is the belief that you would like to let go of that is no longer serving you? Where do you think it comes from? And what's going to happen once you let that go? Have fun with it. Be easy on yourself, and we'll connect again tomorrow for day 9.